Ayan mga kaibigan. Pang-apat niya na yung pandesal. Oh, ito pa, meron pa oh.
Oh, ito nga oh. Pinas isang supot eh.
There's another one. Pang-apat niya na yan.
Meron
Oh,
maliliit. Kasi may malalaki na.
what will you say, Ethan? You like it? You like pandesal? Your ate don't like it? Bella kinain, isa lang eh.
Sa mga ganyan may nasibila.
Ayan oh, banding sila with lola niya oh. Oh, kain sila pandesal. Kain mabuti ma.
Sarap.
Happy, Ethan? Read very well, ah. Be good boy always, ah.
Opo, Daddy.
Oh, very good. So that Daddy, Lola, and Tita Camille very happy. We are happy. You eat many, oh.
Alam na niya ito yung kulay ng damit niya eh.
Bella is eating one pandesal, then now drinking Dutch milk. Happy? Happy, Bella? Bella, happy? Be good boy and be good girl, ah. O, look, Ethan, no. Finish 4 pandesal. 2 sweet corn. So, ito po yung banding namin. Pag merienda. Banding namin with kids. Pandesal, mais. Talaga yung buhay sa probinsya, eh. Hindi matatawaran talaga ang buhay sa probinsya. Oh, what will you say, Bella? What will you say? Oh, you will going to miss Daddy. Oh, don't be sad. You can call Daddy. Don't be sad. Oh, what will you say to your daddy?
Dapat yung smile, yung happy.
Don't be sad. You can call Daddy once Daddy reach Singapore.
Gusto pa matulog siguro.
Okay? Don't be sad, Bella. You going to miss Daddy? Don't cry.
There is pa the milk there?
Don't cry. Come here. Hug Daddy. Daddy, hug Daddy. Come here.
Get Ethan that milk. Bakit iyak ka?
Don't cry. Oh, Ethan, hug Daddy. Don't cry. Don't cry. That's why you must be good boy and good girl so that Daddy always happy. Okay? Love you.
Look, there is pa that, may that milk pa bila doon?
Love you, Bella.
Wala na?
Don't cry
No
na.
more na tan.
Don't
Tita
cry na.
Camille will buy again it.
Don't cry, baby. I'm going to miss Daddy. Big na eh. Big na Bella eh. Big na si panganay. Don't cry na, don't cry. Smile na. Oh, we'll give you the camera. Smile na. Oh.
Puri-puri ka
Smile
na.
na, smile na. Big na oh. Ay, smile na. Smile na. Smile na, baby. Don't cry na, don't cry. Love you. Always remember, Daddy love you and Ethan, okay? Daddy always here for you.
Always
You just
pray.
call me.
Always pray.
If you miss Daddy, you just call me. You ask Lola. Then you can message also Daddy. If you want to call Daddy during working hours, you can call anytime. You can ask Lola, then can call me anytime. Okay? Daddy is not busy for you and Ethan. Okay? Daddy always make time for you and Ethan. Love you. Love you. Kiss Daddy. Drink water na dun. Drink water.
Lulungkot yan. Hindi tulad ni Ethan, yung ano-ano ko yan.
Malaki na eh. Malaki na si Bella.
Yung mabalik ng bata mo. Hindi man nakatikim ng palong dito yan. Wato yung patulog dito. Mabalik ko na ganyan.
Mabait ka. Malambing din.
Napapagalitan na.
Mga kaibigan, ito yung buhay OFW talaga. Kaya kailangan talaga natin maging matibay lang, maging malakas. para sa kanila, sa mga mahal natin sa buhay.
Mamaya.
Laban lang tayo mga kapwa OFW. Mahirap talaga ang buhay natin. Malayo sa pamilya. Pero ginagawa natin yun para sa kanila. Hanggang dito na lang. Iyak na si Bella eh. Hanggang dito na lang. God bless us all.